Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see dictionaries and sets. So what is my dictionaries? So dictionaries will also have an unordered collection of elements. So in the dictionary we have a keys and values. It's kind of a JSON. If we see here, first how to create a dictionary means. So for example, I'm going to create a dictionary name called balance. Dictionary will be always open and closed with parenthesis. Now this is a key and this is the value. So the balance of Mia is 83847. So the balance for John is, let's say, 83837. Jill is 94766. So this is the way of creating the dictionaries. So whenever if you type balance, you will get output in this format, which is having the key and values. Let's say if you want to get a balance of how to access the element in dictionaries, if I want to get a balance of Mia in the balance dictionary, I want a value for Mia. Mia is a key. By just giving this key, you will get a whatever the value that is stored for Mia, you will able to access that values in the dictionaries. So you can also access by using balance.get the key name. You can call Buzz, Mia, John, whatever the value you want, you can pause here. Now, is it possible to change elements in dictionary? Yes, we can do that. How can you do that by changing the elements in dictionaries is, let's say I'm having a year sales, 2015, the sale is this. So this is key, this is values, correct? I'm going to change the values. For example, in 2015, I want to change this 34,500 to 45,000. So how can I do that? In the year sale dictionary, for the value of 2015, that is key, I want to update the value of 45,000. So after giving this, when you're rerunning the year sales, automatically the 2015 value got changed. This is the way of changing the values in dictionaries. So if you want to understand how many length we have in a dictionary, how many keys and values we have, automatically you can use length function to understand how many length we have. Next, is it possible to add a new element inside the dictionary? Yes, we can do that. For example, I'm going to add in a year sale dictionary, I want to add a new key called 2018 with 55,000. Automatically this 2018 will get appended at the last. Are you able to see here? Previously it was neither. So you can also directly pause it as a number itself. I paused it as a string, no need, you can directly pause without removing the double quotes. I hope you understood. This is the way of adding elements inside the dictionaries. Now, what are the methods that we have inside the dictionaries is key method, values. So we are going to see everything one by one. What is in by keys? Let's say I'm having a data called horsepower. Each and every companies and their horsepower respectively. So BMW, Mercedes, Ferrari, Volkswagen, Renault. So these are the datas with their horsepowers. Now, whenever I'm calling horsepower and their keys, automatically I able to get BMW, Mercedes, Ferrari, Volkswagen, and all these are the keys of that horsepowers. So let's say next we can have a in element. If you give values, what you'll get? If I give values instead of keys, if I pass values, you're able to access all the values inside that horsepower. So this is the way of accessing. Now we can also use in. Honda in horsepower means it will check whether this Honda is in horsepower dictionary or not. If it is there, it will print true. If it's not there, it will print false. Now Honda is not there in the dictionary, it's returning false. The BMW in the horsepower, it's returning true. So this is the keys. Yeah, already I said values. If you want to look into the values alone for the horsepower dictionary, you can pause dot values. Correct everyone. You can also check whether this 934 value in horsepower. If it's there, it will print true. If it's not there, it will print false. So these are the way that you can access the elements like keys and values inside the dictionaries. So next we are going for items. So what is my items? If you pause it as items, that horsepower the dictionary dot items, all the keys and values will display as an output. See, BMW is the key, the value, and like key and the values, keys values. So whenever you are calling it as an items, you'll get keys with respect to their values. Got it, everyone? Now you can also access. You can converting this as a list. So what we are doing after calling it as an item, I'm converting this as a list. Now you can access the element. You know we can easily access the element inside the list by using their index. If I call this 1, this is 1, this is 2, right? This is 3. So if I call a of 1, automatically this list return BMW 949 as their answer. Sorry, Mercedes 945 as their answer because this is the index number 1. Now what is this pop, sir? Pop we already know. It is to remove the recent entry, but using the pop you can also element specific key and their values. I'm in the dictionaries, in the year sale dictionaries, I am popping up the 2015. So automatically this 2015 will get rid of year sales dictionaries. Okay. Now pop item, by if you give pop item in general, it will pop up the recently added element, which is 2017. 15 added first, second recently added. 2017 got recently added, so it will pop the recently added element from the dictionary. Now delete keyword will also work. You can delete particular keys with their values. If I delete in the year sales dictionary, if I delete 2015 key, automatically this 2015 get rid of year sales. Also you can, if you give clear, automatically all the elements will delete from the dictionary. Next, is it possible to copy? Yes, we can also do the copy. If I year sales dot copy, automatically this dictionary will get copied to the copy dict. So this is the way of copying one dictionary to another. If you give year underscore sales dot copy, automatically this dictionary will get copy with the, so let's say I'm having year sales. See here, if I whenever if I call copy dict, automatically this dictionary got copied into the copy dict. Now is it possible to update? Yeah, you can also update. So it's kind of inserting the new elements. You can directly give dot update. So what you want to update? I want to update 2018 as 30,000. So when I give year sales, automatically this 2018 is updated inside the dictionary. So these are the very simple and straightforward function that is available in dictionaries. I hope everyone very easy and able to understand. Now we are going for sets. So sets is also a collection of items. The important thing you want to remember about sets is it will never ever allow duplicates. Whenever you're writing something inside the set, it will remove the duplicates automatically. This is an interview question. If you see here, I'm having a list. I'm having a set. Set will be all denoted in parenthesis. Or getting my point? I'm having a set called age. If you look into this, I'm printing the age set automatically. I'm getting an output. Are you able to see here, guys? This is the age set. Now, if you look into this, what set will do means, let's say I'm creating a, I'm creating one set like 1, 1, 1. Now, if I print a, what is happening? Automatically, it is removing the duplicates, correct? The set function will automatically remove what? Set function will automatically remove duplicates. So this is very important and I hope you understood. Set will remove duplicates. Whatever you're writing inside the set, that is parenthesis, by default it will remove the duplicates. Now, so this is the way of printing the set. What are the function that is available in set is add, update, length, remove and pop. We are going to see the elements one by one. Now, how can I create a set? Let's say I'm having a Python world. Now, if you want to add something inside the set, you can give my set dot add. Whatever the element you need to be added, you can pass inside. Automatically, this high is getting added into the set. Next, is it possible to add a multiple items inside the set? Yes, we can do that. Already, I'm having a set as Python and world. Now, I need to update some data science and machine learning. Now, if I update this, automatically this multiple element is getting updated into the list. Are you able to see your data science and machine learning is also getting appended into the my set, correct? Now, if you want to understand how many elements I'm having inside the set, you can just pause length of my set. Now, is it possible to remove elements inside the set? Yes, you can also do that. My set, this is the set name. I storing this set inside the variable called my set. My set dot remove. What I want to remove? I want to remove this data science. Whenever you are calling my set, automatically this data science will get removed from this set. Now, what is my pop? We already know it will delete the recently added element. Now, what is the set? So by default, pop will remove the latest added one. So no, sorry, pop will remove randomly from the set. Let's say if in set alone, if I give pop, it will randomly remove the elements inside the set. Are you able to see here? Now here it's machine learning is got removed. In this, it is randomly removing one. So this is the way of pop. We will not use this pop in real time for a set and all. Commonly, when we will use set means to remove duplicates inside some, if you have some list or tuple, you need to remove duplicates. When you convert that into a set, automatically all the duplicates will be removed. So this is very important, guys. Now we are going to set operations that is available. Now look into this. I have a set one. I'm is disjoint of set 4, like I'm going to give is disjoint set 4 comma 1. So if the two set is not having any common elements, it's automatically going to give false. For example, if I give, now it is giving true because this 2 and 1 is not having any common elements in this set, correct? 2 and 1 is not available in any of this. So that's why it's returning true. If suppose any common element is available, let's say if I give 2 comma 33, there is one common element between them. Automatically it will return false. So when it will return true, if this 2 set is not having any common elements, it will return true. It's called is disjoint. First pass one set, then again give is disjoint of another set. If two sets is not having any common element, it will return true. If there is a common element, it will return false. So like 33 is there, here also 33 is there, it will return false. So I hope you know what is my subset. I created a set A, set of B. So just I'm taking a list, I'm converting this list into a set. Are you getting my point? So I'm just taking A is subset of B. What does the subset means? So yes, A is a subset of B. All the element of A is available in B, correct? If suppose I am not having 5 inside this, it will return all the element is available. Let's say if I give 11 in the A, now it is false because 1, 3, 4 is available in B, but 11 is not available. So A is not a subset of B now, correct? So we are asking whether A is a subset of B. Previously it was true because all the element of A is available in B. Right now it is not because it is 11 is not available in B. It's not a subset, correct? Now we are going to check a union. What is my union, guys? Which is nothing to append the two set. So A dot union of B means automatically it will merge these two by removing the duplicates. If you look into this 1, 2, 3, 3 also already also available in B. While you are doing union, automatically it will remove the duplicates and it is converting into a single set. Now what is intersection? I hope you already know. Intersection between A and B. What is my intersection? Intersection will be denoted as and operator. So A and B, if I do intersection between A and B, whatever the elements that is commonly available, it will get printed. So what if I do intersection between A, B and C, automatically commonly available element in all the three set will be displayed. So 12 and 78 is available in all the three set. So next what we are going to do is set difference. It is very important. So if I do a set difference of A minus B, if you look into this, if you look into the A, 56, 89, 77, these three are not available in B. So it will find the difference between A and B. So it will check for A with B. Whatever the element that is available in A that is not in B, it got printed as an output. So difference is nothing but if I give A difference of B, what is the meaning? It will take A and it will compare it to B. The element available in B, it will not do anything. So whatever the element which was not available in B, it will got printed as an output. So these are the important thing in dictionaries and sets. So these are the important data types you want to remember before getting into the advanced concepts of Python. I hope you understood, guys. Please practice. So I will share this link in the GitHub. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks everyone.